Hello, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor. Today I'll be speaking with Raul Suarez, Well Construction Product Manager at Schlumberger, about the company's offerings in the world of autonomous directional drilling. Mr. Suarez, thank you very much for taking the time with us today.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Stephen, to you and the drilling contractor for having this opportunity.
So I understand that Schlumberger has developed a range of different technologies that can come together to help the industry realize autonomous directional drilling. Can you give us a brief overview of what those technologies encompass, as well as Schlumberger's overall vision for what can be achieved with them?
Yes, I can, Stephen. In the autonomous directional drilling journey, we presented it around a year ago. And this is because the industry, our customers, were asking on how we can make a leap change into performance, consistency, predictability, and sustainability. We look at what is it that we could do, how we can having better solutions, how we can apply things like automation and everything that is digital into make this better. We saw other industries like the auto industry, and we brought the vision of autonomy to directional drilling. So we brought 6 levels, from level 0, no automation, human operated, all the way up to level 5, which is using subsurface formation evaluation data to take the steering decisions. From level 3, 4, and 5 is really when you start getting into certain way of autonomy. Level 3, a single workflow, having a self-testing system. Level 4, integrated with the rig, and then level 5, as I mentioned to you, formation evaluation. Now, to be able to deliver this, we needed to have a very strong foundation, which is what we call the 4 pillars. Intelligent planning, everything starts with planning, getting all the data from previous runs, and using machine learning to help you see what it could be the outcome, predict in some way what is it that it could happen, and then follow through. Surface automation on the directional drilling is being able to automate the commands from surface to downhole. Intelligent execution is using what you plan, make sure that you're using it on real time, having the best decisions and a system that alarms you, monitors, advise, or control these steering decisions. And last but not least, the downhole automation part, which is the key part of what we're offering today. Downhole automation is able today to autonomously drill every section of the well, vertical, tangents, or curves autonomously today. And that's really the key, the auto curve component, which we didn't have the capability before, and now we're able to do it autonomously downhole.
I'd like to focus more specifically on the downhole automated control system. Can you go into more detail about how that system works, as well as the role that it plays within the autonomous process?
In directional drilling, you need to use definitely positioning. And for this, we use inclinations and direction sensors. The closer they are together, the closer they are to the beat, the better I am. So having this information downhole, I'm able to understand where I am. And then, of course, I'm able to track where is it that I'm supposed to go and take those decisions downhole. The faster that I take these measurements and the faster that I can react, if I can do it every second, then the smoother borehole I'm going to be able to create. And this is a quick component on the autonomous journey as we presented. Why? Because now we're bringing this into the downhole automation. But of course, we need to apply more things, an evolution of these systems downhole, and also on the other 3 pillars, to be able to get to the level 5 and improve from there.
Schlumberger has already seen some good results deploying autonomous directional drilling in the Middle East and in the Permian Basin. Can you tell us about the results that you've seen in these projects? And are there any lessons learned that the company can apply in future applications?
Lessons learned a lot. And by the way, these 2 cases are key, and we were able to use it also besides the Middle East and the Permian in the US, also to be able to use it in the North Sea. We've been able to use it offshore and land. We've been able to use it from 6-inch and 1/8 hole size all the way up to 16-inch. So one of the first lessons learned is that we can apply it almost anywhere. It doesn't matter really the environment or the hole size. So this is one of the things. Second, on the specific case in the Middle East, on an average of 4 wells, we were able to decrease the downlinks by more than 40% and increase the on-bottom rate of penetration by more than 37%. One of the lessons learned is that when you help the directional driller with a system that takes the steering decisions, you let him focus more on some other decisions, like how to drill faster, how to take a look at how am I drilling, am I doing the best way possible? And that's one of the things that we have seen. In the case in the US land, in Permian, we were able to decrease downlinks by more than 40% and increase on-bottom ROP by more than 39%. And in this case was 3D curves from kickoff point to landing point. And again, letting the directional drilling get trust on the system and being able to support it really helps you on where to go next and improve on the rest. So this is key on the autonomous directional drilling journey. Having that support, letting the tool, the system downhole take the decision and embrace it and move forward.
Well, Mr. Suarez, thank you so much again for taking the time to speak with us today. Autonomous directional drilling seems to be one of those next frontier technologies in the world of drilling, and it will be interesting to see what Schlumberger continues to do in this space. So again, we appreciate you taking the time. Thank you so much.
No, thank you, Steven, for this opportunity. And I agree with you. This autonomous directional drilling is a big milestone, what we're doing today with downhole automation, but there are many things more to come in this journey. Thank you so much for the time and for the opportunity.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.